Top 3 handcrafted wooden bodhisattva sculptures, a testament to artistry and devotion. Wooden sculptures of bodhisattvas hold a revered place in the world of art and spirituality. These masterpieces, painstakingly crafted by skilled artisans, capture the essence of both religious devotion and artistic excellence. Each sculpture is not merely a piece of art but a reflection of the dedication, creativity, and precision of the hands that carved it. Here, we explore 3 exceptional handcrafted wooden bodhisattva sculptures that exemplify the heights of this timeless craft.